Let's convert 440 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Here's how you do that. So you need to know that 1 atmosphere, that equals 760 millimeters of mercury. That's our conversion factor. What we'll do is we'll multiply our 440 millimeters of mercury times this conversion factor. So since we have millimeters of mercury on the top, let's put 760 millimeters of mercury on the bottom. That way those will cancel out. Then we have 1 atmosphere. We want to end up with atmospheres, so that unit goes on the top, our 1 atmosphere. Now, when we multiply across, millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom, that cancels out. You're left with atmospheres. That's what you're looking for. So we divide 440 by 760. We end up with 0.5789. Let's call it 0.579. And the units will be atmospheres because that's all that's left up there. So we know we did it correctly. This is Dr. B converting 440 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.